It's me. And today we're going to look at some incredible snake facts. There are lots of different kinds of snakes in the world. These help them move in and out of places that other animals can't get to. That means snakes can find lots of hiding spots and hunt for food. They flick their forked tongues in and out to collect smells from the air. This helps them find food and also keep safe from predators. A snake's tongue is like a little nose inside its mouth. It's amazing! So, let's start with a really interesting fact about all snakes. If a snake blinks, it could close one eye, but it would leave the other eye open. Instead, they protect their eyes with a clear scale that sits right over top of them. They live in mountains, deserts, grasslands, and forests. You can find them in South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. In fact, you can find them almost anywhere except Antarctica, Iceland, Ireland, and New Zealand. There are some islands where lots of snakes live. The Indian Ocean island of Socotra has 181 species of snake. That's a lot for such a small place. The island of Borneo has 150 species of snakes. So if you want to see a snake, you should go on vacation to one of these islands. Maybe you'll see a snake that can fly. Well, not exactly fly. The flying snake is actually gliding through the air. It jumps from a tree and then flattens its body. Its ribs spread out and it has wings made of skin. It uses these wings to steer and to help it glide. It can glide for hundreds of feet and reach speeds of 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars. The flying snake can glide from one tree to another. That way it can escape predators and hunt for food. The scale is part of their skin, and it's transparent, just like glass. So when snakes are sleeping, they can still see what's going on around them. That way they can run away if a predator gets too close. That's a lot of snakes. They come in all different shapes and sizes. The smallest is the thread snake. It's just 4 inches long. They don't have venom, so they need another way to catch and eat their prey. Python and boa constrictors squeeze the life out of their prey. Their strong muscles make their bodies narrow and tight. The prey can't breathe, so eventually it passes away. Then the python or boa swallows its dinner. It uses its unhinged jaw to gulp down the dead animal. These snakes often eat big meals. Sometimes they eat once every 2 weeks, and the meal makes up half their weight. That's like eating 10 cheeseburgers in one sitting. The longest is the giant anaconda. It can be more than 30 feet long. Snakes have no legs, but they move fast. They slither along using their muscles and belly scales. Their skin is their only protection from bugs and other parasites, so they need to get rid of their old skin to stay healthy. When snakes shed their skin, they look like this. It takes them a long time to grow new skin, so they stay in hiding while their new skin grows. Sometimes they eat something before shedding their skin. Then their poop has this white stuff in it. It looks kind of like toothpaste. That's because it's made of skin. Yum! There are over 3,000 species of snakes. Can you imagine swallowing a whole chicken, a mouse, or even a small cat? Snakes that eat other snakes often unhinge their jaws. That way they can swallow their prey whole. Unhinged jaws are very flexible, but they're not magic. They can't make a snake's head bigger, but they do allow snakes to have a bigger opening. So next time you see a snake, take a good look at its mouth. Does it seem hinged to you? Maybe you'll see a snake swallowing its dinner. Poisonous snakes have fangs and venom. Their venom is made of toxins. They use these to catch their prey and kill it, but there are lots of antidotes to snake venom. So if you're bitten by a poisonous snake, you can usually get help and recover. Snakes use their tongues to smell things. Most snakes aren't poison. Only about 600 species are venomous, but very few are dangerous to humans. Snakes shed their skin several times a year. That's because snakes don't have any hair or foot. Some snakes can unhinge their jaws. This lets them swallow prey that's much bigger than their heads. Snakes don't have eyelids. Can you believe that? They sleep with their eyes open. Pythons and boas squeeze their prey. They're called constrictors, and they use their muscles to squeeze. Snakes live almost everywhere on Earth. Now you know lots of amazing snake facts. Which fact was your favorite? Is it that snakes shed their skin? Or that they can sometimes fly? Tell me in the comments below. They have even more facts about snakes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and share the video. For more videos, subscribe to Roaming with Wildlife. See you next time.